Medical notes this week. Teenagers need sleep, but at what cost? Between high school, work, and extracurriculars, teens are notorious for neglecting their nighttime rest. But for those with sleep disorders, prescribing depressant drugs like Xanax could make matters much worse. A study published in JAMA Network Open has discovered that young people who use prescription sleep medication have an increased risk of overdose within 6 months after starting the treatment. There may be a new breakthrough in Alzheimer's drug research. Scientists think an experimental medication could be the first significant advancement for the condition in decades. A recent study published in the New England Journal of Medicine shows how the drug targets a toxic protein believed to be a main driver of the disease. After 18 months of research, the treatment blocked plaque buildup in the brain, which improved cognitive performance. With nearly 1,800 participants, this is one of the largest clinical trials for Alzheimer's disease. Can a healthy gut microbiome help patients with multiple sclerosis? A study published in Frontiers in Immunology supports the idea that specific diets may slow the progression of MS. Researchers believe some of these positive changes include increasing your fiber intake and lowering your fat consumption. The authors of the study hypothesize that unhealthy diets have contributed to the steep rise of MS cases in the U.S., given that the disease is less common in nations with high-fiber diets. And finally, can something smell too good? New research published in Science Advances might explain why too much of a good smell is bad. When we smell, our neurons are stimulated and send signals into the brain. However, researchers have discovered that when an odor rises above a specific level, those neurons completely turn off, explaining why the same object can smell good from far away but terrible when it's right up against your nose. And that's Medical Notes this week. I'm Shel Lustig.